It's so beautiful here in nature with all these birds. And then they had to put one of those in the sky behind me. Oh my gosh. All right, we're gonna sing. But what are we going to sing? Birds, what would you like to sing with me?